Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be checking out how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2024 Kia Sorento. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, so this is a very simple process. The only thing you'll really need is a small pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up your glove box, you're going to use the pliers down here where this little hydraulic arm is. You're going to pinch the two ends of this little nub together and then work the arm right off the side and then lift it up out of the way. And then if you look inside the glove box, you'll notice back here and on this side, there are little slits where you're going to push in with your fingers, and that's going to allow you to lower the glove box out of the way. Once you've got the glove box out of the way, you'll notice this little trap door behind it. On the right hand side, you're going to pinch together these little tabs and it will swing open and expose the air filter. Make sure that you make note of which way the arrows are pointing for the airflow before you take it out so you know which way to put the new one back in. Then you're simply going to insert your fingers and just kind of pull the vent out towards you. And then with your new filter, you're just going to reverse the process. Make sure you put it in on each side and then just work it back into the hole. And you're going to take the trap door and feed this end in first, and then it should swing back closed and allow you to clamp it shut. We're also going to just do the reverse process for closing the glove box back up. I'm going to squeeze these sides in until they click back into place. Lower this arm back down over this little nub. Then we can close our glove box and we're done. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below if you want to go ahead and pick up a new filter for your Sorento and do it yourself as well. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and hope to see you in my next one.